Hey everyone, welcome back to Himalayan TechLab. Today we are taking apart another interesting gadget. This time it's Retro Speaker. Let's see what inside and how this device is built. On the inside there is a manual which is written in Japanese, and the device itself is packed in a thin film plastic. From the outside it looks pretty decent for the price. It is given with the Type-C charging port, SD slot and USB port. You can see the material is mostly plastic. Build quality feels lightweight, cheap, but let's see what's hiding under the shell. You need to remove this rubbery sticky thing before you reach the screws. Alright, time to grab the screwdrivers. Remember, don't try this unless you are okay with voiding your warranty. This is for educational purpose only. Let's start by removing these screws. Okay, the back cover pops up easily. Inside we can see the battery, mainboard, speaker unit. So we need to remove 4 screws to take out the mainboard.
So this is also removable, battery and this one.
The speaker is out and we can remove the mainboard from the housing.
Let's figure this out.
Now it's time for the assembly.
So I forgot to put this.
So would I recommend it? If you just want to have a speaker, so would I recommend it? If you just want to have wireless speaker without spending much, maybe you should go with this. But if you care about sound quality, battery long life, maybe it's not for you. That's it for today's teardown. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more gadget breakdowns. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching Himalayan TechLab.